Hi, this is an introduction to a new kit we have here at Apogee, and it's called the Maker's Dozen. And as you can see, it's a lot more than just one kit. This is a bulk pack, and we call it a Maker's Dozen because we have 13 rockets. Now what makes this unique is that each rocket is unique. So if you give this to your class, every kid can have a rocket that looks different. But as you can see, they're all about the same size, so they have about the same performance. They'll go about the same height and the same speed. Although there are some experiments that you can perform as a group. Every rocket has different fin shape, but the area of the fins is identical. So the area of this fin here is equal to the area of that fin there. So only the shape is different. And so that allows you to test to see which shape might be a little bit better. Okay, you're going to find this at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.